look what a crew we have of our young people.
I just say one thing.
Praise God. Don't they look so nice? Don't they look so
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the tinsel and lights made it nice. And the best gift is you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Jesus, I love you. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the carols and bells make the holiday swell, but it's all about you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Jesus, I love you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Jesus, I love you.
well, praise God. So good. It's so beautiful. Is that what they have for us?
Yes.
All right. Are you going to do that again Saturday night?
Yes.
Well, not all of us going to be here Saturday. That's why we did it tonight.
Well, my goodness, I hope the most of them are here Saturday night. Yes, and look, isn't that wonderful what they've given us today? Let's give them a great appreciate them. These are our kids. Praise God. These are our kids. All right, thank you. Thank you so much. Does any of the rest of the young people have anything? We'll wait and we'll let them give it as well as these youngsters. I think that was so good. Have you had a good night together? Have you enjoyed being together? Sister Caldwell.
One thing.